Here we are on the BAM bike tour of Intramuros with Rihanna Rental. This is Ryan.
Battle of Manila, or the Battle to Reclaim Manila, happened in 1945. That lasted almost 2 to 3 months. And this is the ruins of the tour actually after the battle. Okay? And one of the remnant of the Battle of Manila, was this cannon. Okay? So this is the Japanese naval artillery cannon. And the Japanese
The Japanese cannon here. This is a view of, it's a bit downcast as you can see. Traffic over there. And here's a tour here. Biking with the kids. Intramuros. A little bit rainy, that's why. Good job, Enzo. Having fun? Please subscribe, comment.
And share.